You've got to check out this new page view trigger for funnels and websites. This feature enables users to trigger specific actions within the CRM based on visitors' interactions with their website. Doesn't that sound amazing? You're going to love this new feature. Let's talk about those benefits. First of all, there is targeted engagement. Now you can seamlessly prompt actions based on visitors' page activities. This is an enhanced workflow customization, meaning you can now gain control over triggers by specifying pages or funnels to specifically monitor. You're going to love the streamline marketing efforts that allow you to automate tasks in response to specific website page visits. Let's talk about some practical use. So, let's say you're a small business owner running an online store, or to be honest, any type of small business, and you utilize the page visit trigger feature to automatically increase the lead score of visitors who repeatedly view products or pages, signaling heightened interest and prompted targeted marketing efforts. So let me make this clear. If people are continuing to show engagement with something specific, you can actually increase the type of marketing that you do to them that gets them to go ahead and spend that money. First, we need to create a new workflow. To do that, you're going to go to automation, and then you're going to be under workflows, and you're going to create a new workflow. As always, you can use a template or start from scratch. For our purposes, we're going to start from scratch. I'm going to have you go ahead and add a funnel or a website page view trigger. This is the new trigger that's been added. To do that, you're going to click plus add new trigger, and then you're going to choose funnel/website page view. Now let's go ahead and add some filters. So that is going to be in the trigger settings. So you're going to click add filters. And now go ahead and select either your funnel or your website. So that is under filters, select standard fields, and then the funnel or website. Now let's go ahead and select what is considered the operator. So on this one, we're going to select the operator as is. And now let's go ahead and select the funnel or website. And we're going to, of course, customize those filters. So go ahead and click plus add filters. And now let's go ahead and select that filter. Once you click on search, you're going to go ahead and drop down and you're going to see all of these options. Again, we need to once again select the operator. For this, we're going to go ahead and choose includes. It could also be empty or not empty, but we're going to select includes. And now you can check the boxes of what you want to include. Is it going to include the cart, the checkout, anything else specific that is available? Now go ahead and save that filter. This feature empowers businesses to automate actions like responses and engagement based on the visitor's website or funnel interactions, streamlining marketing efforts and enhancing lead nurturing right within the CRM. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.